In this video, you'll learn how to use the Lost Jobs Performance Dashboard. Select the Lost Jobs tab. Start by setting your desired filters. You can view your team performance by time period, day, week, month, quarter, or year, and refine your view by address, customer, owner, stage, status, workflow, or dates. Click Reset to clear filters and view all lifetime jobs on your report. In the top at-a-glance metrics, you can view your highest job lost value, most frequent reason, average days to lost, average value of lost jobs, and your total value of all lost jobs. The job lost reasoning table shows exactly why jobs are being lost, so you can take action. The detailed job chart at the bottom contains all lost jobs data and can be sorted and filtered as needed. Click Export Data to export the data in this chart.